Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Z60S Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used. So now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Delete Browsing Data. Here we've got some basic options, so websites, tabs, cookies, cache and other site data. You can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, all time, and then tap on Delete Data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on More Options, and here we've got them, so tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. You can again change the time range, and here simply tap on Delete Data. Confirm it by tapping on Delete, and as you can see we've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed the history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.